Hello everyone. So in this question it is given complexes are low spin complexes. These are the four complexes which are having the low spin. We have to find the order of magnetic momentum mu for vanadium 2 positive, iron 2 positive, chromium 3 positive and ruthenium 3 positive. So the formula for magnetic moment is root n into n plus 2, where n is number of unpaired electrons. So for the first, that is vanadium 2 positive, we will first do the electronic configuration. For vanadium 2 positive, it is Ar argon 3d3. It means it has 3 unpaired electron, so it would be 3 into 3 plus 2 whole under root. That would come out as root 15, which is 3.9. Now chromium, for chromium 2 positive, the electronic configuration is Ar 3d4. It means it has 2 unpaired electron, so it would be root 2 into 2 plus 2, that is root 8, which is 2.9 bm. Now for ruthenium 3 positive, we have ruthenium 3 positive, it would be Kr4d5, which means it has one unpaired electron, so it would be 1 into 1 plus 2 root 3, which is 1.732 bm. Now for iron, Fe2 positive, it does not have any unpaired electron, so it would be under root of 0, that would be 0. Hence the order would be vanadium 2 positive, chromium 2 positive, then ruthenium 3 positive. After that, in the end, it is iron 2 positive. So this is a required answer. Thank you.